All right. Determine whether the sequence is arithmetic, geometric, or neither. So again, go into the notes. An arithmetic sequence, think of arithmetic, right? What did you study? When you were a kid, you studied arithmetic, you studied adding and subtracting. So an arithmetic sequence adds or subtracts the same number from term to term. Then when you got older, you learned multiplying and dividing. We call that a geometric sequence. It multiplies or divides the same number from term to term. So which one's this? Well, how does 1/9 become 1/27? You've got to multiply by 1/3, right? Because 3 on the bottom, which is 1/3, that'll do it. Does that work for the next one? Times 1/3 again. Check it on your calculator. 3 times 27 indeed is 81. Yeah, this is multiplying by 1/3 every time, isn't it? So this is geometric. And the common ratio is 1/3. If that's a little too casual for you, here's the actual formula. The ratio in a geometric sequence is second term divided by first term. So that's what I'm really doing. So the ratio, the common ratio, is second term over first term. So it's second term right there over first term. So it's 1/27 over the first term, 1/9. Now, how do you simplify that? Remember when you have a fraction over fraction, you grab the 1 in the bottom and you flip it up? I don't know if you remember that, because dividing is upside down multiplying, like that. Does that make sense? You flip it upside down, because dividing is upside down multiplying. You know what I mean? Like if you divide 10 by 2, you get 5. That's the same as multiplying by a half. Half of 10 is also 5. See how dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by its upside down, 1/2? So dividing by 1/9 is the same as multiplying by the upside down, 9/1. Dividing is upside down multiplying. And so then that is 9/27, right? 9 times 1 over 27 times 1. And then how do you simplify 9/27? Divide top bottom by 9. It is 1/3. There it is. There's the common ratio. So that's how you find the common ratio. You just take the second term over the first. Really, you can take any term over the previous term. You could take the third term over the second, or the fourth over the third. And if you work and you simplify it, it'll come out 1/3, because that's the common ratio. I call it common ration. It's not a ration. It's a ratio. Common ratio. So in other words, that's what it's multiplying by every time. It's multiplying by 1/3 every time. So that's the common ratio. And that makes it a geometric sequence, not arithmetic. There we go.